Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to place an order on Best Buy. We will also put links in the description below for Best Buy deals and promotions for you to check out. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. To start, open the website bestbuy.com. Then click on the account option. A drop-down list will appear and you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you can now browse and look for the particular item you wish to buy. There are categories provided, and a search bar that you may use. In this example, let's say we're going to buy a laptop. Once you've found the item you wish to buy, click on the Add to Cart button. Next, review the item. Then click again on Add to Cart. Then at the bottom left part of the window, you will see a Go to Cart button. Click on the Go to Cart button. Now, review the items on your cart. If it's all set, click on Checkout. In the checkout page, select the shipping date, and enter your contact information. After entering, click on Continue to Payment Information. Here, enter your payment information such as the card number and complete billing address. You could also give a donation and select from the amount options provided. Lastly, if everything's good, click on Place Your Order. That's how you place an order on Best Buy. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.